The title leading into the lynching chapter, Strange Fruit, has a lot of significance and is a good segue into this presentation. Strange Fruit is actually a song written by Billie Holiday in 1939, and it reads, "Southern trees bear strange fruit, blood on the leaves and blood at the roots. Black bodies swinging in the southern breeze, strange fruit hanging from the poplar trees. Pastoral scene of the gallant south, the bulging eyes and the twisted mouth. Scent of magnolia, sweet and fresh, and the sudden smell of burning flesh. Here is fruit for the crows to pluck, for the rain to gather, for the wind to suck, for the sun to rot, for the trees to drop. Here is a strange and bitter crop." She recorded this song independently, which showed Holiday's support of the civil rights movement. In response to the lynchings that occurred, Holiday produced this song that gives listeners an aspect as to how the lynching scene was. With blood on the trees and referring to these African Americans as strange fruit, and the imagination of the pastoral scene, I could see myself in the background of the murder. And some important facts as a prequel to the rest of the slides. Lynching occurred between 1882 and 1851, at least of what's being recorded of mass lynchings. 88% of those who were lynched were black, so white people were also lynched, but didn't clinch the majority spot. These lynchings occurred everywhere in the South: Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, North and South Carolina, Florida, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Kentucky. With that, the history of lynching all the way to where we are today will follow.
Okay. So you had to